Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening server settings and selecting roles. This gets you straight to the problem. Once done, scan the role list to confirm the role sits below any bot or admin that must manage it, because role position controls hierarchy. Make sure to enable only the permissions you need. Toggle one at a time so you can test effects. If you use a bot, check its highest role. It must be above the role you modify, or changes won't apply. Next, dive into the permission grid and adjust permissions precisely. Separate general, text, voice, and advanced sections to avoid accidental access. You should not grant administrator unless absolutely required. It overrides other settings and complicates fixes. Once changed, test the role by impersonating or using a test account in a safe channel so you can verify send, manage, and join behaviors. If a bot manages roles, update its settings, and rerun any role sync or assignment commands to confirm. Finally, reorder roles by dragging them into the correct hierarchy and recheck channel-specific overrides, because deny flags at channel level can cancel allowed permissions. Reassign the role to a test user and walk through typical actions to confirm fixes. If something still fails, reset the role's permissions to default and reapply only the essentials, or temporarily remove and recreate the role. This clears hidden conflicts. One tip: if a bot can't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.